I've just picked up the Google Pixel 3a XL here. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So when you take off the lid, which looks pretty nice to me, but yeah, if you take off the lid, there it is, the Google Pixel 3a XL. You can see there. I'll put that to one side for now. But as you can see under here, we get the manuals, I think the SIM ejector tool as well, yeah. We also get a Google sticker and a, looks like an adapter. So USB-A to USB-C. And then you also get a USB cable, and under here is the 18-watt fast charger. So that just charges it really quickly. Unbox the phone. Right. Alright guys, so there's the Google Pixel 3a XL, as you can see in all its glorious glory, and let's see if we can turn it on. Alright, so while it's booted up, you can see the two-tone back of the Google Pixel 3a XL. It has it's actually made out of plastic, but it feels quite high quality, to me anyway. In fact, I actually prefer this to a glass back for some reason. They call it polycarbonate, but that's just plastic. Yeah, so that's glossy plastic, that's matte plastic, so it feels really premium. And it's got the Google logo at the bottom, as well as the 12.2 megapixel camera. But I'll go into full depth in my full review, so press start. Connect to a mobile network. I'll just go get this set up and I'll be back with you later. Guys, so I've had the Google Pixel 3a XL for a day now, so once you've got the box off, you should be greeted with the premium feeling Google Pixel 3a XL. Now, this thing has, overall, it's got a load of features and great stuff, and that makes it, in me and my dad's personal opinion, the best budget phone that you can buy right now, and that I've reviewed on TechAuros. So there's just a lot of great features that add up to make this thing the best. You've got the always on display, so when you are when you're not active on your phone and you need to you don't want to have to turn your phone on, otherwise you're going to get addicted to your phone for around 20 minutes. Instead, you just look at the time right there, and then it also shows you the date and the temperature, and also how much charge it's on, and also your notifications and stuff like that. And also the camera. Now this thing is flipping insane. This thing, I'll pop up a picture right now of one of the photos I've been able to take on this thing, but it is just insane. Like, the camera, it's flawless. It's like better than flagship grade camera on a budget phone, and it's just amazing. So yeah, also the display, it's great, like OLED display, high quality full HD, which is higher resolution than the iPhone 11. But yeah, just some great stuff right here on the Google Pixel 3a XL. And the settings, you can fiddle around with settings and make this your like custom phone. You can also change the wallpaper, so every single day it'll cycle through a new wallpaper. I've got mine on like the nature theme right now, and it'll cycle through a load of wallpapers. Like some great features that add up to make this the best budget phone. Also, I actually like the design of this. A lot of people will not like it. It looks kind of old school, I think. You got this matte back. That feels super premium. And also the weight of the phone. It's such a light thing. You don't feel like you're holding a phone. You feel like you're holding a phone, but it's light. You know what I mean? But yeah, it just feels really premium. Camera's great. Fingerprint sensors really quick. And ambient display, just so many great features that add up to make this the best budget phone. So watch out for my full review on Sunday or Monday, depending on when you're watching this. It'll be the next Sunday or Monday that I've released a video in. But yeah, just watch out for my full review. It's amazing. this phone, and I'm looking forward to my full review. But yeah, this thing is amazing, and yeah, watch out for a full review. Make sure you subscribed, make sure to like the video, and yeah, it helps my video go to more people so that they can watch some nice Pixel content. And yeah, make sure to subscribe for weekly tech content, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.